Hello from Venus Beach. Super nice beach in Paphos, right next to the ancient tombs of the kings. And there are many interesting tombs, and if I'm not completely mistaken, it's also a UNESCO Heritage Site. I visited that one in May 2018, and I won't have time to visit it again right now. But I have time for a beach adventure here at Venus Beach. So this beach is around 3 to 4 kilometers probably from the city center, and it is my second time here also, as I also visited it back in 2018 when I was visiting the tombs of the kings. And it is nice sandy beach for sure. There are some seaweeds or remains something on the beach as well, but it looks nice. It looks nice. It looks nice indeed. And the sunset is on its way down, so we're gonna have a nice sunset very soon. But first, let's take a swim here. And actually where I am here, it is actually rocks and not sand. I guess there is sand around the middle of the beach. And yeah, it is 3:30 p.m. right now, and yet another beach adventure on this 29th of December. And I'm exploring Paphos, and this is the 5th beach I visit today. So it's gonna be an interesting beach adventure, and let's see what next I'm going to explore. But this is day 9 also of my Cyprus vacation this year, and it looks amazing. So let's take a swim together on 3, 2, 1. Super nice sunset swim, or actually golden hour swim, as it is now the last hour of the sun setting. And super nice beach here. as you can see. Yeah. And yes, the ancient tomb of the kings, it's right next to the beach, but the entrance is actually from the main road. So yeah, greetings from Venus Beach in Paphos. Nice beach here in the Paphos region. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.